Happiness is easy to find, you just don't pay attention. This video will show you how puppies can bring you joy. His kisses are the first proof. Accept the fact that the short kiss is never enough to please this boy.
See? I love you. I love you too. Are you the best boy? Are you the best boy? Yeah. Did you have a good sleep? Yeah. Oh. I love you. Yeah. You're the best boy? Yeah.
Don't be surprised when someone says that half of their time is spent with the dog.
Nagdodrawing nga si Daddy. Ano gusto? Ano gusto? Ang gusto mo basahin? Gusto mo naman. Yung darling. Okay na.
It is a well-known fact that dogs require your presence to feel safe.
Skylar.
No matter how old the dog is, they'll become a baby in your arms.
Come here.
It seems that this dog is already very jealous of that laptop.
I sit here. Thanks.
She doesn't choose the dog chooses her.
Oh my god. She's like, I know, I want to go home. She's like, I want to go home.
The power of dogs is to make your tears and smiles appear at the same time. He's proven that he'll do anything for Dad, including assist him in losing weight faster. Humans always have an exclusive place for pets. She can fully appreciate the meaning of family thanks to her beloved puppies.
Tara na. Tara na.
Payagan kita. Upo. Sige na. Sama na kay ate. Sige na. Sama na.
Halika na. Tayo na lang.
Tayo na lang.
Animals only feel safe around the family, and his eyes and actions showed that he considered her his family.
Mami, ikaw daw ang gusto niya kasama.
Kayo na lang ni ate, oh. Sige na.
Sweet, that's so sweet. Thank you.
The fatigue of his work was erased by this boy with a lovely presence.
Nice and cool.
when you have to act dangerous despite your inner desire to get your crush's attention. If you need a source of energy for a long day, your dog is ready to do it. This dog should be confirmed as the one who most enthusiastically responds to human actions. Looks like this boy's weight and love are the same.
Tank, what are you doing to your dad? Tank!
The most luxurious sleeping place is not as good as holding your crush's hand, is what this tale's about to tell us. Your cuddling can totally comfort a sulky heart. The little boy's tail proves that he's very pleased with the care.
Just like a little dog, you look like a fucking frog.
The first time is officially be the lover of the crush be like. This is when you suddenly receive affection and it takes a while to digest it. The saying, "No one is left behind in a family," was fully expressed through his actions towards his dog. Please let us know your feelings. Thanks a lot.